Hey there, viewers! We live in an era where superfoods are constantly evolving. The nutrition from healthy foods can have miraculous effects on your health. Hemp seed oil is one of them. I bet you weren't expecting this, were you? Now, when we say hemp, we're not talking about what you think. Bestie isn't gonna recommend you smoke anything. This is something different. In today's video, hemp seed oil has fatty acids. It's the perfect blend of omega-3 and omega-6. Fats help smooth the functioning of all processes in your body. The omega-3 and omega-6 in hemp oil outdoes that of actual food by about 3 to 1. Your body will act well to omega-3 from this oil. In fact, there's a study that highlights how omega-3 and 6 both help reduce inflammation. This is the perfect way to stop your health from declining and avoid disease. Just be careful when cooking with this oil. High temperatures can make it go bad quickly. The best way to preserve its nutrients is to refrigerate it. Just as a rule, avoid using this oil for cooking, frying, and sautéing. Raw hemp oil is perfect for salad dressing. It's also good to drizzle over a few foods. Have you ever tried using oils to reduce inflammation? How was the experience? Sound off in the comments below and start a conversation with our ever-growing Bestie community. Number 2. Improve skin health. Get ready to be showered with compliments because your skin is about to glow like a diamond. Most people spend their hard-earned cash on expensive salon treatments. If only they knew about hemp seed oil. Hemp seed oil is the most trusted oil. The cannabis plant is used industrially to produce textiles, ropes, paper, and biodegradable plastics. Hemp seed oil is the best of all these products. The olive green oil has a thick consistency and nutty flavor. Avoid using the refined variety as the harsh chemical processes rob the oil of its nutrients. Adulterated hemp oil is lighter in color. Remember these key points when using this oil for skin conditions. Let's go quickly through some of those skin conditions. But first, looking for answers on all the latest health and wellness news? Hit that subscribe button and join our millions of followers. Stay up to date on all our great Bestie content. A. Pimples. Pimples and acne can take the beauty away from your skin. Blame the glands that produce all the oil. They make something called sebum, a waxy, oily substance that lubricates your skin and keeps it supple. Overproduction of sebum from oil-producing glands can give you those painful bumps. Using hemp oil can even out your skin. It maintains a balance between oily and dry skin while also controlling oil production. Applying it to your face doesn't clog your pores. Heavy oils usually suffocate your skin. With hemp oil, your skin is allowed to breathe freely. This oil is a universal anti-acne treatment. Research has shown that applying hemp oil can minimize acne scars within just a few months. Keep in mind, a bit more research is needed. B. Dryness. Now, let's imagine a reverse situation where there's too much dryness on your skin. For anyone who cares about their appearance, dryness is uncomfortable and annoying. It's going to make your skin itchy, red, and eventually very painful. Hemp oil has some anti-inflammatory effects that reduce these conditions. Research shows that adding this oil to your diet reduces symptoms like itching. C. Psoriasis. Psoriasis is a serious skin condition many people get. Your immune system goes crazy and starts attacking your own cells. Silverish or red scales are seen in patches on your knees, elbows, and scalp. If you want these patches to stop spreading, you need to do something, and fast. According to a study, applying hemp oil that is rich in omega-3 fatty acid does the trick in preventing psoriasis. Omega-3 supplements are also good. Your doctor may also allow you to do phototherapy and oral medications. They also go great with this oil. D. Lichen Planus. Lichen Planus is another skin condition that can be controlled with this oil. While it can go away on its own, skin oils can help speed up the process. It may appear as purplish, itchy, flat-topped bumps on the skin. You may even find it in your mouth. They look like lacy white patches. At times, they can be really painful. If you're in unbearable pain, try talking to a doctor about how you can use this oil to reduce symptoms. A study showed that regularly using hemp oil reduced skin inflammation by a pretty big amount. Just name any skin condition caused by bacteria, fungus, or viruses. Hemp oil is so strong it can tackle these infections naturally. E. Wrinkled skin. Isn't staying young everybody's main goal in life? Seeing those wrinkles start appearing on your face can be both sad and scary at once. Luckily for us, hemp seed oil can help. Hemp oil also has anti-aging properties. When you apply it to your face, you will see these lines and wrinkles slowly disappear. Mind you, there are several other things you need to do in order to stay young. This includes eating the proper diet and staying active. Now that we're done with the skin conditions, let's move on. But before we move ahead, here's an important skin video you should watch. Check out 14 foods that are great for fighting psoriasis. Now let's get back to the benefits of hemp oil. Number 3. Eases symptoms of PMS and menopause. Hemp oil can be used in 3 different ways. You can either apply it to the skin directly or have it added to your food. You can also get supplements of this superfood in a few wellness shops. Don't forget to do a small patch test on your skin before applying it directly to your face. You want to make sure you don't have a serious reaction to it. You can also couple it with a few essential oils like lavender and rosemary. This is done in a diluted form to make your own soothing face oil. If you prefer eating it, you're bound to get some extra goodness out of that. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons can safely be added to your smoothies, soups, and salads. If you end up with some digestive issues, be sure to talk to your doctor about it. You can always start with just half a tablespoon and work your way up. Fragility and anxiety can overwhelm people. These symptoms might be related to PMS or premenstrual syndrome. We certainly don't blame you, as this reaction is hormonal. Physical symptoms like headache, fatigue, and nausea also go back to these hormones. A study showed that all women who applied 1 gram of fatty acid from this oil experienced a notable decrease in symptoms. Imagine how great you would feel having these symptoms and simply being able to fix it with an oil. Some advanced hemp seed oil products like creams, gummies, and under-the-tongue drops are also being used by folks who want to heal naturally. As the research progresses, new health benefits are coming to light. Hemp seed oil can definitely improve your quality of life. Menopause can cause a lot of changes in women's bodies. Your hormones control your mentality and affect your skin and bones. Your overall personality can also change due to this. While research on this oil continues, holistic healers believe that the physical complications of menopause ease out after taking hemp seeds. Number 4. Fights bacterial infection. If you're not being careful about the bacteria in your body, your health will decline. Bacteria are everywhere. They can attack any organ of your body. I'm talking about the lungs, bones, or even the heart. So how do you kill off the bad bacteria? We saw a couple minutes ago how effective hemp seed oil is in treating skin infections. Good thing it doesn't stop there. The most dangerous bacteria known for causing this destruction is Staphylococcus aureus. It has the potential to cause pneumonia, diseases of the heart valve, and bone weakness. According to a study, hemp oil can put an end to all the damage this bacteria causes. If you're on the fence about trying it out, hopefully this will change your mind. Bacteria is such a powerful thing. Some are good for you and some are terrible. There's so much to learn. Have we sparked your interest? Let's keep the conversation going with a couple more gut-related videos, shall we? Watch 14 effective ways you can maintain a healthy colon. You should also check out 11 ways to clean gut bacteria. Go ahead, click one, or better yet, watch both and learn more about how to strengthen your digestive system. Do you know any other benefits of hemp oil? Let us know in the comments below.